lock with Wi-Fi, go to the menu, start, hash,
Verify administrator.
your password.
1. Using manage. 2. Remote manage.
Option number 2.
1. Create phone user. 2. Delete phone user.
Option number 1.
1. Wi-Fi. 2. Access point.
Again option number 1. Then go to your phone. Open Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and location services. Go to Tuya Smart app. Add device. Go to sensors.
قلنا مودرن عن شانكو مودرن ايه ما تجيبوا شيء تجيبوا ستريت ستريت اه ايه 40
Sensor, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Option number 2, Wi-Fi mode. Confirm the indicator is blinking. Blink quickly. Choose your Wi-Fi. Next.
This is all what you have in stock, right?
You have cup like this. Give me please. What I will come. No. Yeah. Can you tell this cup for which number? Because you don't know.
What color rose cover you need?
Gold.
Yes. What color of the rose cover you need? Oh, yeah. It's coming.
Successful.
Go now.
1. Create phone user. 2.
Handle
Delete
because
phone
we
user.
want
3.
models.
Create remote user. 4. Delete remote user. Please select by number.
It's connected.
Press the asterisk key to return. 1. Setting.
Now when you ring the bell,
Verify administrator. Please verify administrator.
back.
You shop here.
This shop or this shop?
Okay, let me pay for this in case I don't like that.
Please keep.
I always like something I like. Okay, this is for this cover.
Faces too far to the down.
Okay, I will buy another one.
Please keep a proper distance.
You will get a notification.
Faces too far to the down.
Door is more.
Someone rang your bell.
Please keep a proper distance.